Hi, I'm Miss Jazzy Braidz. I'm doing permanent lock extensions with human hair and extending natural locks.
Started about 11 months ago. Just had long, shaggy hair, and I was new to this. I just called her, and I wanted something that looked better and made me more confident and comfortable. So I set up an appointment, and Miss Jazzy and Miss Kenya have been taking care of me ever since, and I absolutely love them.
This process is not always necessary for every single lock. For each lock that you're extending, it would take about 15 minutes. I said, that is a lock extension. That is a matte original lock extension.
My name is Matt.
Because his lock extensions can look like somebody else's. His hair color, the way it fades, his hair is lighter up here than it is down here. So I'm making them lighter because the sun would bleach them more the longer they get. For example, his longer locks have a lighter coloration. So with his extension, as it goes from darker to lighter, I'm looking at his natural lock as well. Your set, because yours will look completely different, but they'll be amazing.